Hi guys, it's another video of E-Squad Trio. And today we're talking about this easy Rubik's Cube. It's easy to solve. I'll mix it up first. All you have to do is make like a straight white line or a yellow straight line. Okay, I'll show you. So it's mixed up like this. I'll mix it up more. Okay, like this, and then you can just see here, it's a little bit like a straight line. Okay, up here, look, I'm going to make a yellow line. Look, you see yellow, and this, and this. You see, yellow line, and then you turn it like this, and then up, and another one up. And then the easy part is to do this and this. And now you see it's solved. So, now you know how to solve this. Okay. It's actually really easy to solve. I got it from McDonald's. McDonald's. So, yeah. Oh. And I'll show you another Rubik's Cube. And it's not a cube. Okay. Let me just go. Okay, I'm back. This one. It's quite really hard to solve. But let's solve it. So hard. You see? Here. And you see this bit? It's so you can move it up and down like this. Okay. It's over. Oh, look. Wait a minute. Look. I can move this down here. Can't move it. I mean, up there. Let me just try to. No? Oh, come on. Oh, look. Now let me turn this around. Yeah. Oh. And there. We solved orange. But the other one's so hard. I don't think I can do this. But there. We solved this one. But not this one. Sorry. I'll get a 5x5 Rubik's Cube, okay? Okay. Look how hard this is. Oh my goodness. It's so hard, guys. If you can solve this, then that's good, but I definitely can't solve this. If you can solve this, subscribe to my channel, okay? If you want to watch more, I'll make more because I've only made like a little bit of videos with my brother and my dad. So this is so hard. Wow. It's so hard, guys. I wish I could just solve every cube. Also 17 by 17 by 17. And is that 32 by 32? I think it is. Wait a minute, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's totally not 32 by 32. Or is it? How much? What's the time? Let me guess. Is it 6:59? Okay. This is too hard. This is really hard to solve. I wish I could solve it. I'm gonna cry now. I'm saying not crying. I'm so crying, man. Man. Okay, let's go carry all these Rubik's cubes. No, I can't carry. Let me try. I can't carry these Rubik's cubes. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, let's go. Actually, let's just stay here. I think time's up. Maybe not. What are you doing here?
What are you doing? Taking photos of yourself?
Videos. Video. That's my grandma.
Absolutely no charge left in it.
It's like on.
Dinner's ready. Now.
It's on 80%.
Dinner's ready.
My tablet's on 80%. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, my dinner's ready. I think that's time's up. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.